Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ruby, and today, in this video, not even the title, I know I always say this, we are making some clear, jiggly, wiggly slime. So yeah, get right into the video, and I need to have better link. So guys, we're right now painting. Me and my friend, we're painting things from our room. And guys, I painted my room, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna put glue in. That should be about enough. 'Cause, wow, I barely use like any. See that, guys? I only use that much. But I think that's good. Then I'm gonna take some water, and I did not grab any water, so I'll be right back. Just look at the slime, look at the glue. Okay, so I'm going to add this much of water. Actually, I'm just going to add a little bit less. And I need a spoon. Just back of a spoon. Mix that. Okay, sharing like that, because I don't want my fingers to get a little tidy. Okay, yeah, I need to move this over. Sorry guys, I got it. Go and check out my other YouTube channel, B.E. Robinson. But my cousin posted a video on there without my permission. So just saying, guys, I did not let her do that. Don't know why she did that, but she did it. Making some slime. If you guys want me to do Don't Choose the Wrong Shampoo Slime Challenge for my next video, comment or like this video and I will do it. And I'm also going to be doing a ginormous giveaway for an iPhone 11. Do not have it right now, but I will show it to you guys at the end of the video if I'm able to go and grab it. Just like, I think I added too much water, guys. But it is coming. I think I need some more activator. No, it's all glue, not. Ooh, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, way too much. If this becomes too activated, I know why. Oh, I can't touch that with my shoulder. So, yeah. Okay, so this is gonna be clear, but since I mixed it, it's not gonna become clear. It's also gonna become a blue color because blue activator. So I just got my borax out of the cupboard. But I didn't. So I'm just gonna make this, what color? I think I'm gonna make it a black slime. I don't even have a black slime. So I have some black paint over there. Whoa, I'm wiggling the table. And she also made a TikTok on my TikTok, my cousin. out my position because I let her have my phone for like 20 seconds. So yeah, really annoying. And she also posted on my YouTube, even though I already told you that, and my TikTok, even though I just told you that, and she took a picture for my Instagram. So yay. So happy. Spoiling everything. So I let her have my phone a couple minutes because she was here, right? And I went to the bathroom, and I don't take my phone to the bathroom, so I let her use it for a couple minutes, and I said, do not go on TikTok or like any of that. And she made a TikTok, and she also made a YouTube video that's only like 20 seconds long. Because if you guys look closely, my other YouTube channel, B.E. Robinson, I was coming out of the bathroom when she stopped that video. So okay. Yes, guys, it's coming together. Yes, guys. Oh, that's just downstairs. Oh, nope, that's my mom. So, yeah, guys, I think that's going to be it for the video. And like for part 2. Bye. Peace. I can't do that, so peace out. Bye.